Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best nail gun for crafts you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many nail guns for crafts and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each nail gun for crafts so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a nail gun for crafts. First, think about the type of projects you plan to do. Light craft work may only need a small brad nailer, while heavier projects require more power. Next, consider the nail size compatibility, as different guns handle different lengths and gauges. Power source is another key factor. Corded, cordless, or pneumatic versions each have pros and cons depending on portability and workspace. Safety features like trigger locks and protective guards are also important for secure use. Don't forget the weight and comfort of the tool, since a lightweight, well-balanced nail gun reduces fatigue during long crafting sessions. Lastly, check for easy maintenance and trusted brand reliability to ensure lasting performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.